Today we are going to see Class 7 Hindi, New NCERT Syllabus, Malhar Book, Lesson 1. This lesson is in the form of poem. The name of the Kavitha is Maa Kah Yek Kahani. Maa, tell me a story. This poem is written on a conversational basis between a son and a mother. This poem, Maa Kah Yek Kahani, portrays a mother. The name of the mother is Yashodhara, telling her son Rahul, the name of the son is Rahul, a story about his father Siddharth, who rescues a wounded swan from a hunter. The story emphasizes compassion, justice, morality. Siddharth, that is the Rahul's father, Siddharth is later known as Gautama Buddha, who has spread Buddhism. Children, here Rahul is asking for a bedtime story from his mother, and his mother Yashodhara is saying an incident from her husband's life, that is Rahul's father's life. This conversation will be very interesting in the way it is taken out. Let's get into the Kavitha. माँ कह एक कहानी. बेटा समझ लिया क्या तूने मुझको अपनी नानी. So you know one thing, always grandmothers used to say story, right? So here also when Rahul says like माँ कह एक कहानी, he is asking for her story from his mother. For that what Yashodhara is saying, बेटा समझ लिया क्या, what you have understood, तूने मुझको अपनी नानी, what you have understood me as your grandmother. कहती है मुझसे यह चेटी, चेटी means maid. For that what Rahul is replying, कहती है मुझसे यह चेटी, these maids has told me that तू मेरी नानी की बेटी, you are my grandmother's daughter. See how mischievous Rahul, he is making his mother to say a story. तू मेरी नानी की बेटी, कह माँ कह लेटी ही लेटी. So tell me, lie down and tell me a story. राजा था या रानी. So how she starts, राजा था या रानी. राजा था या रानी, माँ कह एक कहानी. Either it may be Raja or it may be Rani, that is either it may be king or queen. Tell me a story. तू है हठी मान धन मेरे, सुन उपवन में भड़े सभेरे, तात भ्रमण करते थे थेरे. For that she is starting a story. How she starts, you see, तू है हठी मान धन मेरे. मान धन means very lovable and very dearful. Okay, you are a very lovable son of mine, but you are also very stubborn. So if you are asking for a story, you will be asking for that only. So तू है हठी मान धन मेरे. So I am going to say a story. Now she starts. Sun, listen to the story now. उपवन में भड़े सभेरे. बड़े सभेरे means early morning. उपवन में, in the garden, early morning in the garden. तात भ्रमण करते थे थेरे. थेरे तात, your father was wandering in the garden early morning. So this is how the story starts. Now she starts to describe the garden. जहाँ सुरभि मनमानी, मनमानी is very attractive, very mind-blowing fragrance was there in the garden. So for that Rahul is saying, जहाँ सुरभि मनमानी, हाँ माँ यही कहानी. Now Rahul is very much satisfied with the story, how it starts. So he is saying like, जहाँ सुरभि मनमानी, oh there was fragrance in the garden. So हाँ माँ यही कहानी, I want this story only. वर्ण वर्ण के फूल खिले थे, झलमल खर हिम बिंदु झिले थे. So again she is continuing with how the garden is. वर्ण वर्ण के फूल खिले थे, there was a colorful flowers was blooming over there. झलमल खर हिम बिंदु झिले थे. Him bindu is dew drops. So you can, children, you can also watch dew drops on the leaves and flowers early morning. When you enter into the garden early morning, you can just notice that him bindu, that is dew drops on the leaves. It will be glistening. You can watch that. You can notice that. Here also in the garden, Jalamal kar himbin jilete, it was glistening like anything in the garden. Halke chonke hile milete, also what was there? A light breeze was there, which is very pleasant. Lehera tha pani, also pani, water was also waving over there. Lehera tha pani, ha yehi kahani. So now what Rahul is saying? Yehi kahani, this story only I want. So it is full of pleasant and he got attracted towards the story. Gathe the, kag khal swar se. Now what happens? There was birds. Ghate the, even the birds gives a sound. What we'll say? It is singing, no? So gathe the, kag khal swar se. The chirping sound is here kal swar. There was birds. It was also, what it is doing? It was also gate, it was also singing. Sahasa ek hans upar se ghira, vidd hokar kar shar se. So everything was pleasant over there. Rahul was enjoying the story. Even you people were enjoying the story. Suddenly what happened? See, Sahasa ek hans. Hans is swan. It will be white in color. You would have seen hans somewhere. Sahasa ek hans upar se. From the above, ghira, it fall down from the upar, from the above. With the hokar, how it fell down? Injured, it got injured from a kar shar se, sharp edged arrow. So someone was aiming at the bird and it got injured and it fell down. Hui pakshi ki hani, what Yashodhara is saying? The bird got harm. For that, what Rahul is saying? Hui pakshi ki hani. Karuna bhari kahani. So now Rahul is saying, what happened? The bird got injured. Karuna bhari kahani. Now this has become a very compassionate story. Chaunk unhone use uthaya. This unhone is none other than Siddharth, who was wandering in the garden. Chaunk unhone, he got shocked and use uthaya. He just got the bird in his hand. Naya janmasa usne phaya. This usne denotes the bird. So it got injured and it fell down. It was in a very bad condition when Siddhartha Buddha just took it in his hand. Naya janmasa usne phaya. He felt it has a new birth for him. Itne mein aankhe tak aaya. Now what happened? Itne mein aankhe tak aaya. So I told you the bird got injured. Someone would have injured it, right? So who is that? That is Aketak, that is the hunter. So he just took it in his hand. The bird was very happy. For a second, it felt like it got a new birth. At that time, what happened? Ithne mein Aketak aaya. The hunter came over them. Lakshya Siddhi ki mani. Who he is? He is coming with a full pride. Lakshya Siddhi, because he got his goal accomplished. So what he aimed at, he fulfilled. So how he came there? Lakshya Siddhi ki mani, with a full pride for his accomplishment. And then Rahul is asking, Lakshya Siddhi ki mani? Komal Katin Kahani. So Lakshya Siddhi ka mani, who is that? That Aketak is a Lakshya Siddhi ka mani, right? Oh, Lakshya Siddhi ka mani. Komal Katin Kahani. Komal is soft, Katin is hard. So very soft and hard story it has become. Mangha usne ahat pakshi. That Aketak, that hunter, what he did? He came and asked for the injured bird because he just aimed it, right? So he was asking for the injured bird. Manga usne ahat pakshi. Tere that kintu te rakshi. But your father, now Yashodhara is saying to Rahul that, but your father is the God here. He is the savior of the bird. Tere that, your father kintu te rakshi. Tab usne jotha kag bakshi. So then what happened? Kag bakshi is predator. That is the hunter is the predator here. Tab usne jotha kag pakshi. Hat karne ki thani. Now that predator, that hunter is Thani. Thani means very determined, very stubborn in his words that he wants the bird. Hat karne ki thani. He doesn't want to go out of that. He was very determined in that. Hat karne ki thani. Ab bhad chali kahani. Now Rahul is saying, oh, he is very determined. a Bhattchali kahani. Now the story has become very big and it is going in a some other route. Huwa vivad sadhai nirdhai mein. Now what happened? So obviously it will happen. So between there was a discussion between these two people. So they were quarreling in the sense they were talking like huwa vivad. They started talking each other. Sadhai nirdhai mein. So one is merciful, that is Siddharth, who has taken the bird in his hand, is merciful, and one is nirdhay, one is very cruel because he has aimed at the bird. Huwa vivad sadhai nirdhai mein. Ubhai agrahi the swa vishay mein. Swa vishay is their own thing. Ubhai, both of them are insistent towards their work. They both want their work to be done. They both are very stubborn. They insist that what they want. Gayi baat tab nyayalay mein. Now what happened? This vad vivad, that is this quarrel has been taken to nyayalay. So nowadays children, nyayalay is court, but during those days, no, nyayalay means they'll go to the king's palace. Okay, so now it has been taken to the king's palace. This debate has been given in front of the king. Suni sabhi ne jani. So this thing everyone heard. Suni sabhi ne jani. Vyapak hui kahani. So everyone heard the story. So now this story has been spread out. Now what Yashodhara is saying, Rahul, tu nirnay kar iska. Nyay paksha leta hai kiska. Now what Yashodhara is doing? Just she is asking Rahul, now you tell me, tu nirnay kar, you decide. Iska nyay paksha, that is the side of justice, leta hai kiska, who will get the justice. Kahat hai nirbhay jai ho jiska. So without fear you have to say who will get the victory. Jai ho jiska. Sunlu theri bhani. So now Rahul is saying Sunlu theri bhani. Now the Yashodhara is saying, let me listen to what you are saying, what your word is. For that Rahul is saying, Ma, meri kya bhani? Main sun raha kahani. So what will I say? What a word I will say? मैं तो कहानी सुन रही हूँ, मैं सुन रहा कहानी. कोई निरपराध को मारे तो क्यों अन्य उसे ना उभारे. See how beautiful lines is this. So what that Rahul is saying, कोई निरपराध को मारे, one innocent, okay, innocent is beaten by somebody. कोई निरपराध को मारे तो क्यों अन्य उसे ना उभारे. Why not some other people save it? Okay, one innocent thing is there, innocent bird is there, it was beaten, it was killed by somebody. Why don't the other people save it? Rakshak par bakshak ko ware. मारने वाले से रक्षा करने वाला तो बड़ा है. So what he is saying, rakshak par bakshak ko ware. Rakshak is greater than the bakshak. Nyay dhaya ka dhani. So what will the justice give? Dhaya ka dhani. Always it is by the side of kindness only. Nyaya dhaya ka dhani. It gives dhaya only. Nyay dhaya ka dhani. For that Rahul is saying, Nyay dhaya ka dhani. Tune ghuni kahani. So you have said a story which is full of importance. So it gives the importance between the kindness and the cruel, and you said a beautiful story. Am I understood this story? This is how this Kavitha ends. This Kavitha is given by Maithili Sharan Gupta ji. This Kavi has given us a beautiful story, so we should learn about him also. So children, we learn about this Kavi also. Kavi Parichaya we learn now. Kavi se Parichaya. Maithili Sharan Gupta द्वारा रचित कविता का यह अंश, अंश means this part. So Maithili Sharan Gupta द्वारा रचित कविता यह अंश, this part, माँ कही एक कहानी, उनकी काव्य कृति यशोधरा से लिया गया है. His work, this poetic work Yashodhara, from his poetic work Yashodhara it has been given. यह माँ यशोधरा और बेटे राहुल के बीच संवाद शैली में रचा गया है. This I have told you already. This kavitha is between Yashodhara and her son Rahul. This is on a conversational basis. मैथिली शरण गुप्त का जन्म चिरघाव झांसी उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ था. He was born in चिरघाव झांसी. 15-16 वर्ष की आयु में ही वे कविता करने लगे थे. In his 15 to 16 years itself he started writing कविताs. प्रारंभ में ब्रज भाषा में और फिर हिंदी में आजीवन लेखन कार्य करते थे. So first he wrote in ब्रज भाषा and then he started writing in Hindi, and up to his lifetime he was writing आर्टिकल्स. स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में उनकी रचनाओं ने लोगों में देश प्रेम की भावना जगाने का काम किया. इन द इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट ही स्टार्टेड टू मेक पीपल अवेयर ऑफ पैट्रियोटिक फील. राष्ट्र कवि के रूप में इनकी ख्याति सर्वविदित है. ही इज फेमसली नोन एज नेशनल पोएट. इनकी अधिकांश कृतियां में भारत की धार्मिक, सांस्कृतिक, ऐतिहासिक और राष्ट्रीय चेतना के स्वर है. इन मोस्ट ऑफ हिज वर्क्स देयर विल बी धार्मिक, दैट इज रिलीजियस, कल्चरल एंड हिस्टोरिकल, और राष्ट्रीय, दैट इज नेशनल कॉन्शियसनेस. साकेत, भारत भारती और यशोधरा उनकी काव्य कृतियां हैं. साकेत, भारत भारती और यशोधरा some of his poetic works. Children, hope you all understood this poem very much. Read the poem again, word by word, understand the meaning and make use of this video. Thank you, children.